Johnson. I am the Selenium trainer in QSpiders branch. So today we are going to announce that one of the students got placed in our organization. So she is going to introduce about her experience.
Hello, I'm Sadiya from Nellore, Andhra Pradesh. I have completed my B.tech in the stream of Electrical and Electronics Engineering in Narayana Engineering College, Nellore, with an aggregate of 79%.
Okay, so Sadiya, what is your stream?
Electrical.
So triple A background.
Yes.
Okay, Sadiya, how do you get to know about this QSpiders Institute?
Like, I get to know about this institute by my cousin.
Okay, so they got suggested you, so that's why you came and joined. Okay, so what are all the issues you face while you are learning technical subject? Because you are from non-IT background. Right?
Yes, as you know, I'm from a non-IT background. I have less coding knowledge and all. So, for solving problems, I got some.
So, how was the trainers teaching all the technical subject to the non-technical students? How you got to understand that one?
Yeah, our trainers taught us very good, and they cleared all the doubts and all.
So, what are all the things which help you to crack the interview?
Like in this institute, they have conducted presentations and mock interviews and grooming sections, which was very helpful for cracking the interviews.
So, mock interviews, presentation, and
Grooming sessions
are very helpful for you to crack the interview. What was the package?
3.6 LPA.
Your designations?
QA Analyst.
QA. Thank you, sir.